Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, and he's just sitting at the table painting with Arthur. Yeah, he saw the paints and he's like, paint, Papa, paint, Papa. So cute. So I got his chair out so he could be higher up. And he's loving it, so okay, well, Miss, I hope you had a good dinner. He didn't eat too much. He didn't eat any of the sandwich, but he ate some of the grapes. He liked the grapes, but he didn't. Yeah, I think it was
Good
too much person
job.
playing than eating. I have a quarter of the sandwich left. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He just ate the grapes, not the sandwich, but he ate the grapes.
Can you spread it out some more?
Yeah.
Can you spread it around here? Cover the wood all around. There you go.
Yeah, yeah. So, but that's fine. This is good for him too.
Yeah. Can you go all around the edges?
Love it. Okay, we'll see you soon then.
Yeah, that's right.
Thanks.
Good
Bye-bye.
job. Spread it out. Okay, what color do you want now?
Green.
All right, let's wash out our brush. Wash out the brush. And we're going to open the green. And open up the green for you. Oh, we got to wash out the blue.
Blue.
We'll put this to the side, and now we'll paint another piece. Okay. Ready with the green. Here you go.
On the side.
Okay.
Side.
Okay. Here you go. Here's the brush. That's to wash it. Paint it with some green.
I think they're here, Arthur. We might need to just get him ready to go.
And for paint.
You want to do the green? Better hurry up, do the green before Mom and Dad come. Paint some green. Dip it in the green. You like painting it with water? Paint it with green. Yeah, do some green. Oh, I think Daddy's here. I think we're gonna have to finish it up and get our shirt on.
Are you drawing?
It's interesting. It's interesting when it's wet, isn't it?
Painting.
Wow!
Painting.
Are you painting?
Painting was puppy.
Painting with Pappy.
You having so much fun?
He's a good painter. Okay.
Have a nice dinner.
Yeah?
We'll put one more green and then we're gonna put our paintbrush
It's
away.
been great. We played with the train boat.
Oh, yeah.
Mine.
Paint over here too. Over here. Get some paint all around our house.
Don't worry about everything. We'll get it.
We maybe can work on it again when you come next time. When you come back, we'll work on it some more.
Oh, there it is.
Come paint some over here, and then we'll be done.
I I'll take care of this.
Looking.
I have to
Okay.
find- that might
All
be
done.
the train, that
Now let's
tractor.
We got a little paint on you. We'll wipe off the
That
paint
goes
and
to
then
that
we'll
book.
put your shirt back on.
Right there, it goes, just put it in the book, I'll take care of that.
Well, there's a hole in it.
Yeah, but I have the coming over here. Don't worry about that. Just, you can do the other stuff, but don't worry about that. I can take care of
Wipe off our paint off our little tummy. We got paint on our tummy.
it. I am losing big time.
Really?
Oh.
Really on your face. You
Tennessee
splashed on your
is
face.
creaming time.
Oh.
Totally creaming time.
Here.
You just gotta get
Okay.
a shirt on.
Let's get our shirt
And
on.
his cup is over there at the table. That's
Here.
Is this the sandwich you fed him?
Yeah, he didn't eat any of the sandwich. Art ate the sandwich. But he has a quarter left of the sandwich.
Arms in.
You goose.
But he ate the grapes.
He'll eat the grapes for sure.
He was interested.
And get our warm shirt on.
That's my boy.
Oh, I see already in the sports thing that Tennessee wins.
Arms in.
Number 6
Nice
Tennessee
and
takes
warm.
down number 3
Nice.
Alabama.
Nice and warm shirt.
First one for Alabama.
Here.
Tennessee's probably pretty happy on that.
Oh yeah.
I can tell you right now, Brandon Branch is squatting on that square. Sooner or later, you're gonna see one step in.
Did you have so much fun?
Cake.
Love you.
Who is this for?
And go with Daddy.
Did you have so much
Glad you
fun?
could come to my house. Say hi, Steven.
Hello.
There's Daddy Steven with his boy.
Say thank you, Pappy.
Thank you, puppy.
Love you.
Say hi to the camera.